Good morning, students. Today we will revise chapter 9, the living organisms and their surrounding. In this video, we will study about terrestrial and aquatic habitats. So, let us start. Students, let us know about some habitats and about their abiotic factors and adaptations of animals to these habitats. Students, terrestrial habitat refers to the land where all plants and animals survive. Some terrestrial habitats are deserts, mountain and grasslands. Students, now let us know about the features of organisms surviving there. First, let us study about deserts. Students, the climate of deserts is dry and hot with very little vegetation. Most animals which survive in deserts are insects, birds, reptiles, and smaller mammals. Students, small animals living in deserts remain inactive during the day and active during the night. This is just to prevent loss of water from their body. Students, camels are the only large animals in hot deserts. A camel shows many adaptations which help it to live in the hot desert. The padded feet of a camel help it to walk easily on the sand. The hump on its back has stored fat. This provides it with food when there is no food available in the desert. A camel has long eyelashes which prevent the sand from getting into its eyes. Its nostril can close so it does not get sand up its nose. It can drink lots of water at one go and can go on for many days without drinking water. The camel produces dry dung and very little urine in order to conserve water. Students, small creatures living in deserts have hard scales on their body which help in preventing the loss of water due to heat. Students, they usually hide in the shadow during daytime and come out during night. Students, desert plants have very deep roots so that they can access water from great depths. Leaves of some desert plants are modified into spine-like structures. This helps in preventing water loss by way of transpiration. Stems of some desert plants are modified into leaf-like structures in which photosynthesis takes place. Such stems are spongy and have a coating of wax over them. Students, the wax coating prevents evaporation and spongy internal structure helps in storing lots of water. Mountain regions. Students, the mountain habitat is very cold and in some areas snowfall takes place in winter. The trees of the mountain habitat include pine, oak, maple, etc. These are generally cone-shaped and have a sloping branches. The leaves of such trees are needle-shaped. Students, the needle shape of leaves helps in preventing accumulation of rainwater or snow on them, and thus they are not damaged due to snow. Students, animals in the mountain habitat have thick coat of fur. This helps in keeping them warm during very cold winter. The mountain goats have strong hooves which help them in running along the mountain slopes. A yak has long hair to keep it warm, while snow leopards have thick fur on their body, including feet and toe. This protects its feet from the cold while walking on the snow. Grasslands. Students, many animals live in the grasslands and in forests. The climate of grasslands is warm and food is available in good amount. But because of heavy population, the competition for food and other resources is tough in the grasslands and forests. Students, let us see some examples of animals to understand the adaptation to the grasslands. Students, a lion is a fierce hunter and has a strong muscular body. The sharp claws of lions help them in killing a prey. These claws can be withdrawn inside their toes when they run, and thus a lion can walk without making a sound. The color of lion is pale brown, which mixes with the color of dry grasses and rocks. Thus, the body color of lion helps it in hiding from its prey. Its eyes in front of the face allow it to have a correct idea about the location of its prey. And students, a deer is a fast runner. It can run very fast to save its life from a predator. Students, a deer has long ears with very good hearing ability. This helps it in hearing the steps of an approaching predator. The eyes of the deer are located at the side of its head. This position of the deer's eyes helps it in seeing a predator coming from behind. Students, there are many other features of a lion, deer, or any other animal that help them to survive in the grasslands. Students, now let us study about aquatic habitats. Students, aquatic habitat includes rivers, ponds, oceans, seas, and lakes. Students, rivers, lakes, ponds, and streams form freshwater habitat, whereas seas and oceans are marine habitats. Students, different types of life forms flourish in these habitats. Students, the adaptive features of aquatic animals are that their body is compressed laterally to reduce friction. This allows swift passage in the water while swimming. Features like fins in fish and flippers in whale help in swimming. Similarly, frogs and duck have webbed feet for swimming. Swim bladder present in certain fish is filled with air and maintains buoyancy. Students, animals like fish, octopus, dolphins, whales, etc. live in sea or ocean. Most sea animals have streamlined body. Some sea animals such as squids and octopus do not have streamlined body. However, when they swim in water, their body acquires streamlined shape. They stay deeper in the ocean near the seabed. Students, these animals have gills as the organs of respiration. Gills exchange gases dissolved in water. Animals like dolphins and whales do not have gills. They breathe in air through nostrils or blowholes, which are located on the upper part of their head. This allows them to breathe in air when they come near to the surface of water. They can stay in water for a long time without breathing. Students, dolphins have excellent hearing sense to protect themselves from predators. Students, now let us revise what we have learned today by solving some questions. Question number 1. What are the characteristics of a desert plant? Option A, no leaves or very small leaves. Option B, spines. Option C, deep roots. Option D, all of these. And the correct answer is option D, all of these. Question number 2. Which is an aquatic adaptation? Option A, streamlined body. Option B, light and hollow bones. Option C, hair on body. Option D, gills. And the correct answer is option A, streamlined body. Practice makes perfect. Students, these are some homework questions that you need to solve at home. I hope that you will answer these questions correctly. Thank you.